What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the Tapo C465. This is a solar-powered 4K camera, which includes free AI-powered motion detection, a very easy installation, and a lot more. So if you happen to be shopping for a security camera, stick around and I'll be going over everything that makes this one of the best ones in this price range. All right, so taking a look inside the box, you have your user manuals and mounting template, a USB-A to USB-C cable so you can also charge it manually. You have your magnetic mounting base, and then you have the base for this as well in case you're not installing this on something metal. You have your security tether cord, and last but not least, you have the actual camera itself. All right, so before we dive into everything about this camera, as you can see, it's a very unique shape. And as I said earlier, you have this magnetic base, which is both magnetic on the back and the front. So if you have a metal surface, you could just stick this on there and then stick the camera on just like that. And as you can see here, it holds on very well. And it grabs on very tightly. I could just let it go and it's gonna grab on there. So you can angle this however you want and get into the right position that you want. It even sticks way over here. So very easy to adjust and mount it. And then like I said, if you don't have a metal surface, that's where you put that there. Put this on top. And like I said, you can just see how strong this is. I can just lift up like that and it's automatically going to grab it. So definitely very strong magnets. As you can see here, you do have a built-in solar panel here on top of the camera. And this does have an adjustable hinge. You can adjust its angle just like that. And then here in the front, you also have this adjustable ring. You can also rotate and get the solar panel in the right angle and position that you want it as well. Taking a look at the front of the camera, you have your lens and two spotlights. Right here, you have your sensors. And then coming to the bottom, you have your SD card slot and then your port to manually charge it as well. So as far as installation goes, this is definitely a very easy process. You simply mount the camera where you want it, sync it up in the app, and that's basically all there is to it. All in all, it should only take you about 10 to 15 minutes. When it comes to battery life, thanks to the solar panel, you never have to worry about manually charging this, as it only needs 50 minutes of sunlight a day to keep the camera topped off and fully charged. And even with zero sunlight, this will still last up to 180 days, all on a single charge. Last but not least, this camera has an IP67 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet or being exposed to the elements, as it was made to be outside all year round. Taking a look at some test footage, I am definitely happy with the video quality from this camera. Everything looks nice and sharp. It has a good frame rate and the colors are very accurate as well. This has a wide 136-degree field of view, so it does capture quite a large area. And if you need to see something further, that's also not a problem, as this has a very good 18x digital zoom as well. You can't really zoom in on a 1080p camera as the image will get very blurry, but since this has a much better 4K resolution, this helps keep everything nice and sharp. Testing out the motion tracking, this also performed very well. As soon as my son walked into the frame, the camera started recording and I instantly received a notification on my phone as well. This camera also has AI powered detection, which detects humans, vehicles, pets, and packages. Best of all of this is included by default and there are no additional fees or subscriptions required. This camera has a f1.6 large aperture lens along with a 6-layer optical coating. So this is going to give you great quality video day or night. As you can see here, you do get nice and clear night footage using only the IR lights. But thanks to the built-in spotlights, you can also capture a full color video, which is definitely the setting to go with. All right, so taking a look at the app, this is what it looks like. And one thing that's very cool about this camera is this has dual band Wi-Fi. So with 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, you have shorter range but faster speeds. And then with 2.4 gigahertz, you have longer range but slower speeds. So depending which one works better for your setup and where you have your camera, you can set that to get the best performance with your camera. A lot of them only have 2.4 gigahertz, so good to see that dual band on this one. So coming up top here in the app, you have your video display. As I said earlier, this has 4K resolution, so you do get that 18x zoom. As you can see, I can zoom in quite a bit and it still maintains a good amount of detail. With a 1080p camera, this will get all pixelated, but as you can see, you can still see everything very clearly. Right now it's in black and white, but if I turn on the spotlight, that's when you get that full color night vision. And as you can see everything very well. And it does show the colors very well. As you can see right here, we got that orange bucket. Coming down here, you have your basic settings. You got your playback and download over here. Let's go ahead and dive into the settings. So first off, you have your detection settings. As I said earlier, you can detect motion, people, pets, and vehicles. And then up here, you also have your detection zones, and you can set a different detection zone for each type of detection. So for example, right here, set for each, edit. And as you can see now, I can set a detection zone for motion, set another one for where I want to detect people, set another one for where I only want to detect pets, and then set another one for only where I want it to detect vehicles. So lots of customizations there to make sure you only get the alerts you want and not getting other things triggering your camera. You also have a built-in customizable alarm in the camera. So you can set alarm type and you can choose sound, lights, or sound and light. You have different sounds you can choose from. You have how long you want the alarm to stay on. You have alarm event type where you can set what you want triggering the alarm only, and it'll only do it for those things that you select. So very good customization when it comes to the built-in alarm. And then last but not least, you also have the anti-theft alarm where if someone tries to mess with your camera, it'll also trigger the alarm as well. Up next, you have your battery status. And as you can see here, you can also have it show your solar charging data so you can see every time your camera is charging. Up next, you have 24/7 capture. And as it says here, 24/7 capture fills the gaps between detections with snapshots for low frame rate videos so you don't miss a moment. So it's pretty much like a time lapse. And you can have it to record all day or using an existing schedule. And then you can set how often you want it to capture as well. More often is going to drain more battery, but if you have a good amount of sun, that shouldn't matter. And you can have it capture anything from once every 1 second or once every 60 seconds. So nice to have that as sort of a middle ground between motion detection capture and 24/7 capture. Up next, you have Tapo Care, and with the camera, you get 30 days of cloud video history, activity notifications with snapshots, video summaries, weekly reports, and smart sort. In night mode settings, you have infrared mode where the light will stay off. Then you have full color mode. Anytime it detects motion, that's when it'll turn on the spotlights. You get a full color video instead of the IR light video. You have your spotlight brightness, status LED, network connection, and so on, so on. Those are all just basic settings. All in all, definitely a very well laid out app that's very easy to use and navigate as well. Overall, this is definitely a solid camera. The video quality looks great. The app is easy to use, and best of all, it's also very affordable as well. So overall, if you happen to be shopping for a security camera, I would highly, highly recommend this one here, which again is the Tapo C465. If you would like to purchase or get more information, I'll also have the link in the description as well. All right, well, that wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.